Unlock your Nikon D5600's potential to create stunning tutorial videos by recording its live view directly into Camtasia. First, let's gather your essentials. You'll need your Nikon D5600, a compatible HDMI cable, a reliable HDMI capture card that's compatible with your computer, and your computer running Camtasia. Ensure your camera's battery is fully charged. You don't want to lose your recording mid-session. Locate the mini HDMI output port on your Nikon D5600. Carefully connect one end of your HDMI cable to this port. Ensure it's seated securely. Now, connect the other end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI in port on your capture card. The method of connection from the capture card to your computer will vary based on the capture card itself. It could be USB or Thunderbolt, so follow your capture card's instructions. Once your hardware is connected, power on your Nikon D5600. Your computer should recognize the capture card. If you're using external software for your capture card, launch that now and confirm it's receiving a signal from the camera. Next, open Camtasia on your computer. Navigate to the Record the Screen option. In the recording settings, you'll see a drop-down menu for selecting the video source. Click on this menu. From the list of available devices, select your HDMI capture card. You should now see the live view from your Nikon D5600 appear in Camtasia's preview window. If you don't see anything, double-check your cable connections and ensure the camera is set to its playback or live view mode. Before recording, adjust the recording area. If necessary, you can choose to record the full screen, a custom region, or a specific window. Since you're capturing camera output, you'll likely want to capture the entire preview window of your capture device within Camtasia. For audio, ensure your audio source is correctly selected. In Camtasia, if your capture card has a microphone input, you can use that. Otherwise, select your computer's built-in microphone or an external microphone as your audio source to capture clear narration for your tutorials. With your video and audio sources confirmed, click the record button. Your Nikon D5600's live view is now being captured in Camtasia. You can now proceed with filming your tutorial or review content, knowing your camera's screen output is being recorded with high quality. Once you're finished, click the stop button in Camtasia. You can then edit and export your high quality footage to share with the world. Happy creating!